Hi, my name is Nathan Dallimore, chef from Auckland, New Zealand, now residing in Zurich, Switzerland. Don't we all love a kiwi? I'm going to do a simple dish today that's going to wow your guests with impressive presentation. What we're looking for is different textures, colours, contrasting flavours, and something to round off and balance our dish. I have a couple of different colour beetroots today, which again we're going to trim down. We're going to thin slice those and also blanch those, refresh them in cold water, just so they retain their colour. You're obviously eating with your eyes as well as your taste buds. With the office knife, I'm finding it a great knife to use. It's sharp, very thin blade, and it's helping me get a uniform cut. Precision cutting. Also the office knife, great for peeling your vegetables or fruit. In this case, oranges and bergamot. So the combinations of the earthy vegetables and the citrus are some of my favourite combinations, a nice balance it brings to the meal. Again, super thin knife, very sharp, making my job very easy. Now with some of our harder root vegetables, the carrots, the beetroot, we're going to give a quick blanch and refresh. Just to anchor the dish down, I've got a green apple and avocado puree, so we're just going to lay a little bit of this down so the cucumber that I'm laying down doesn't run away on us. A vinaigrette, which will help balance out a little bit of acid. Okay, so now we're just going to slowly start to build our dish. Simple, eye-catching, that everybody can do at home. Not only pretty to look at, but add a nice little spring touch feeling to the dish. The finishing touch is obviously, you know, everything needs to be well seasoned. So this is a little Japanese 7-spice, which adds a little heat, just a little bit of salt, especially hitting the tomatoes and the beetroot, really love it. And then we have a green herb oil, which we'll just tie the whole dish in with. Just getting it into all the little cracks. Last but not least, a nice little bit of olive oil to finish it off. And here we go, spring on a plate.